Hi, I'm Ace, and this is You Can't Do That, the channel where I do stuff with ukuleles. I wanted to make a quick video about this, because I haven't seen a lot of videos out there about this particular instrument. This is the Kala all-metal resonator ukulele. I went ahead and got the baritone version. It also comes in tenor, because there's more. I'm gonna use other tunings on it, and with a baritone, you have more possibilities of what tunings you can possibly use. So that's why I got the baritone. They also come in 3 other colors. There's a black, nickel, and bronze. I went for the antique copper, which I'm not usually not into artificially relicked instruments, but I don't know. See, I'm not interested in resonator guitars. So I always figured if I bought a resonator, it would be a ukulele. So, and I really love the all-metal resonators, and I don't know. So there's something about the sort of swampy look that these aged metal resonators have, and I don't know. It's really cool, and so that's why I got this one. The other colors that they come out with don't have so much of the patina type of look to it. I'm just going to give sort of you can see the cone cover there. It's a really cool green look to it. The rest of it is kind of, I was expecting it to be a little bit more aged looking, but it's cool. One of the things I don't like about relicked instruments, artificially relicked instruments, is that like they do all this, but then like the fretboard and the neck and everything just kind of look brand new. So that's, I don't know, it kind of looks fake, but I don't know. This also looks cool too, so I don't know. I'm glad I got this color. And Kala actually, they put a lot of effort into, apart from like the neck and fretboard, everything else on this actually looks pretty legitimately old. I mean, you've got like that little sort of coin like emblem there. It's got some dirt to it, I guess, and the tuners, if you can see that, they have this aged look to them, and even right down to the screws, you can see the strap button there. Even the screw has like this blackness to it, and then the output jack here, it has this sort of like rusty, corroded sort of look and feel to it. So like they went really, they did a good job with the majority of this to make it actually look legitimate. But anyway, that's just looks. It's what really matters is how it sounds, which is why I wanted to put this video out. So I'm just gonna play a few basic things on it and see what you think. So I definitely think it sounds better finger picked than it does strummed. And I think where it really shines is if you're picking out like a melody. So Alright, so maybe hopefully give you an idea of what this instrument sounds like, an idea of what it looks like if you choose to get this finish. Another thing that I want to mention is the bag that comes with it. Now, when I first saw this, I thought, you know, it doesn't even have the Kala logo on it, and I wish it was more. I wish it had more of a vintage look to it to go along with the instrument that you're putting in it. But once I opened it up, all of those misgivings sort of evaporated, because look at the inside of this. So, I've never seen... Well, first of all, I think Kala is pretty notorious for not including a gig bag with their ukulele, so I kind of feel like maybe we should just be happy we got anything at all. But for real, look at this. I mean, this is probably the nicest gig bag I've ever seen come with an instrument. You can see this sort of velvety, plushy interior, and that padding is probably maybe 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch thick, and it's hard. So, I mean, that'll really protect the instrument that you put in it. So, like I said, I mean, at first glance, that bag just looked pretty generic, but that's a really premium bag. I would say something like that would probably cost you at least $60 if you were buying it by itself. That's just an estimate on my part. But yeah, so I hope that this video was informative or entertaining or whatever. But yeah, so let me know what you think about this, and thank you for watching.